هذا ألسب اليوم الأحد 16/4 يوم الأحد. ما شاء الله أكبر. سيل مدوج وثلوج ما شاء الله أكبر. ما شاء الله
ما شاء الله. والله عاد 21/11/2021 ما شاء الله تبارك الله. برد سيل الله لك الحمد.
In Abha, Saudi Arabia's Asir province, large hail hit the desert, turning the desert into an icy road. During the day, hail fell on the city, accompanied by cold winds and thunderstorms. Social media videos show hail-covered roads and snow-covered deserts. As the temperature dropped to about 7 degrees Celsius, parts of northern Saudi Arabia were covered by a thin layer of hail and snow. One of the cities affected is Gurayat in Jaf province, about 30 kilometers away. Large hailstones classified as superstorms by the meteorological department struck in the afternoon, and some hailstones were as big as golf balls. Fortunately, most of them are minor, but there are reports that the glass in the building is broken. Other residents reported damage to property and vehicles. In addition, hail caused very little crop loss to farmers in the county. Also rare in the area is the formation of a waterspout on the coast of Fujairah. Although waterspouts are rare in the UAE, they can occur under suitable weather conditions. According to reports, there are also some waterspouts during today's hailstorm.
الخلابة